My name is Lanny, Lavalley, and that was in E4. The time over there, after we had left Hong Kong, we went back on the line again. This time we were up in a place where we weren't supposed to tell anybody where we were going. We were going to a place called Yankee Station, which was up in North Vietnam. And our mission at that point was to go to an island off in Hanoi and that had POWs. And we were supposed to get the POWs off the island. Well, we started up what they call the gut, or between the mainland and the island, on the destroyer, and we were under heavy fire. We had to back out. We couldn't turn around. There wasn't room nor time, so we emergency backed out. The captain of the ship, Captain Wadsworth, said, okay, we had to back out, emergency reverse, got out, and he had communicated with the admiral on the USS Ticonderoga, the carrier out at sea, said, go in, you got to get these guys off. So we started in a second time. Same thing, same results. Being hammered, and luckily hadn't been hit, had to back out again. So our Captain Wadsworth again communicated with the admiral, and the admiral said, you've got to get those guys off that island. So we started in, and we said, okay, now this is at GQ. We had started at 3 o'clock in the morning, general quarters. And so, if I remember correctly, we got in, we were actually at a rest point, and it was like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we were still being hit by shore batteries. And one of the shore batteries actually hit our ship, blew up the forward gun mount and the bridge. So anyway, there were a couple of guys in the gun mount that got injured, or people were injured. We had to leave the line and went to Subic Bay, where they replaced the gun mount. Then we, at that time, it was March 11th of '67 when we got hit. So we, at that time, had been there about 7 or 8 months, and because we had left in early September, and it was April, and they said, okay, you had guys hurt, you were hit, and you can start back to the States.